Brownies are a delightful sugary dessert that can make any occasion a special one. Whether you are going to a cookout, a birthday party, or even a job meeting, brownies can be the perfect dessert to bring. These semi-sweet, handheld snacks, start to finish, only take around 45 minutes to become a finished product. Brownies are really a simple dish to make and are almost always perfect if you avoid overcooking them. You will need a total of 4 measuring cups consisting of half a teaspoon, a third cup, a 3/4 cup, and a 1 cup size. You will need 1 mixing spoon and 1 whisk, 8x8 sheet metal baking pan, ham non-stick spray, 1 large mixing bowl, 1 medium-sized mixing bowl, and 1/3 cup of Crisco shortening, 1 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 ounces of unsweetened chocolate, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large mixed eggs. Step 1, preheat oven to 350 degrees. In a small pot on low heat, mix 2 ounces of chocolate squares and 1/3 cup of Crisco shortening and stir it until it is melted. In a large mixing bowl, combine your dry ingredients. 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and then stir thoroughly. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your liquid ingredients. 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, your chocolate and Crisco mixture, mix all ingredients thoroughly. Dry and liquid ingredients in the large mixing bowl. And stir thoroughly. This is what your final mixture should look like before you pour it into the non-stick spray in the pan. Pour mixture in the pan and then spread it evenly. Place the brownies in the preheated oven. Brownie mixture in the oven that is preheated to 350 degrees. And then wait 30 to 35 minutes. Once the 30 minutes has passed and the brownies start pulling away from the sides of the pan, pull the brownies out of the oven and let the brownies cool slightly before serving. Congrats, you just made your very own homemade brownies. You can choose how you want to serve your brownies by adding frosting, sprinkles, or sugar art. Personally, I feel that the brownies are sweet enough without any frosting or sugar topping. The brownies may also be cut into any design, making them shareable with family, friends, or coworkers. Enjoy your brownies and try not to eat them all in one setting.